Hi everyone, it's Dr. Chelle. Welcome to Dr. Test Prep. Right now we are focusing on Khan Academy Unit 4, Lesson 8, Linear and Quadratic Systems. We are on page 73 of my book if you want to follow along. If you don't have the book, no worries, get paper and pencil. But what everybody needs to do is click the link in the description, open up the Desmos calculator, and click College Board. If you don't, some of the tricks I'm showing you are not going to work because not every graphing calculator is the same. If you haven't watched the 4 pillars video, stop watching this, go watch my 4 pillars video, and then come on back. Here we go. Solve the systems of equations, then add the x coordinates. So we're going to do x squared plus y squared, and by now you're saying shift 6 every time you put an exponent in if you've watched my other videos. So we have a circle. Then we have x plus y equals 7. And as I zoom in, I can see that there's 2 intersections. The intersections are at 3, 4 and 4, 3. So we've got 3, 4 is one solution and 4, 3 is my other. And then it says to add the x coordinates. And I'm sure I meant add the x coordinates of the solution. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Isn't it amazing to use the Desmos calculator? All right, in this next video, let's make this a little bit bigger, just so that we can look at the image more easily. It says, or the next question rather, a system of equations is graphed to the right. Which of the following are solutions to the system? So remember, solutions are where the graphs intersect. So right here we have a solution. I hate when it does that. Right here. All right, well, we have a solution right here at 1, 5. So this is correct. And we have a solution right here at 5, 1, 2, 3, negative 3. So this is correct. And so we have number 2 and number 4. The one that has 2 and 4 is the letter C. All right, let's go on to our next question. Solve the systems below and then add the y coordinates. Okay. So the long way that they want you to do it is substitution. So actually you could do this by elimination, or probably substitution would be easier than elimination. But anyway, what we're going to do is, because if you did elimination, the y's would cancel, and then you would have a trinomial, and then you would have to factor the trinomial to get a root and work backwards. Instead, we're going to just type it into Desmos. 4x plus y equals 3. 2x, shift 6 squared, use the arrow key to get out of the exponent, minus y equals 3. Here is our graph. Now, right now, it looks like we only have one solution. So this is really important. Sometimes you just have to scroll out to see everything. Or if you graph something and you can see a color over here, but it's not on the graph, you haven't zoomed out. So you just need to do that. So our values are negative 3, 15, and 1, negative 1. And it says to add the y coordinates. So these are our y coordinates. We have positive 15 plus negative 1, which is 14. You could also type it in the calculator. All right, so before you move on to my next video, please go back to Khan Academy because we have just finished all of Unit 4, Lesson 8. Go ahead and work on those sample questions from Sal Khan's site and use the Desmos calculator and the tricks that I taught you, and then head on back over, and we're going to move on to Radical, Rational, and Absolute Value Equations, Lesson 9, which ironically in this unit has nothing to do with absolute value, but that's what we're going to do next. All right, I'll see you soon. See ya.